Do you know how to solve Rubik's Cube?
No.
Neither do I. But here's the thing. I can do magic trick. Do you want to see a magic trick?
Sure. Where are you
Do you want to see a magic trick?
Okay, sure.
How fast can you solve that?
I can solve without even touching the cube. You don't believe that, do you?
Yeah, I don't believe that.
I can solve it even without touching it. You want to see that?
Yeah.
So I can solve it like this, you know? The normal way. The other way is like this. I have a paper bag over here. I'm going to place it inside the paper bag. And it'll solve itself if I snap like this. Do you believe me? It has solved itself?
No.
It's all inside there. Do you believe that?
No.
It's solved now. I can feel that. Do you believe that?
I don't know. I have to see it to believe it.
Here's a crazier part though. If I snap again, it unsolved itself. Watch this. Ta-da! It unsolves. Ta-da! Ta-da!
Sir, are you sure it solved itself?
Okay, this might seem like a silly joke, but here's the thing. Watch this. It goes back inside again. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Now snap. One last time. It's solved. Do you trust me?
I want to see it.
Do you trust me?
I do.
You do?
I do.
You better do because it's actually solved now.
No way! I don't believe it.
Drum rolls, alright? Drum rolls. Keep it going. Yeah.
You put 2 Rubik's Cubes. You did? Wow.
There's another Rubik's Cube in there.
I wish there was.
What the? Alright, put the bag on. Wait, let's put the bag. Let's put the bag on.
Da da.
I don't know. Okay. I like you, bro.
How did that just happen?
Wait, how did you do that? That's so cool.
Thank you. You made this happen. Your snapping made this happen.
Thank you. It was my magic. I know.
But there's a better way of doing this. What's this, alright? 3,
Mhm.
2, 1.
Whoa!